Max, I need to talk to you. Something happened today and so I was in the hallway, right? And I saw my boss, Herr Becker, and I wanted to sound confident, so I said, Guten Tag, Herr Becker. Ich arbeite an dem Projekt. Good day, Mr. Becker. I'm working on the project.
You said, what?
Project, like the English way. But in German, I thought.
Sarah, in German, it's project.
That's what I said?
You said project, with a soft J, like a French waiter ordering dessert.
Oh, no.
And Herr Becker, what did he do?
He kind of smiled, but not a happy smile, like a patient smile.
Yes, that smile has a name. In Germany, we call it höfliche Verzweiflung. Pronunciation in German isn't just about sounding good. It's about being taken seriously. And today, we fix that. Welcome to German Bridge with Max. I'm Max, and today we're doing something that most German courses skip entirely: pronunciation. Specifically, the words that English speakers consistently butcher in professional settings. And before you say, Max, my pronunciation is fine.
My pronunciation is fine.
Sarah just told her boss she's working on a project, like she's ordering a croissant.
Ugh, we're not starting with that.
We absolutely are. Today I'm going to walk you through the most commonly mispronounced German sounds in a workplace context. By the end, you'll understand why German pronunciation works the way it does, not just memorize a list. Because memorizing without understanding, that's how we end up with project.
You're never letting that go, are you?
Not today. Let's start. All right, problem number 1, and this is the one that got Sarah, the German J.
Okay, in my defense, in English, J makes a DJ sound, like jump, like job. It's not crazy that I applied that here.
It's not crazy, it's wrong, but it's not crazy. In German, the letter J is always pronounced like the English Y. Always. No exceptions.
Always Y. Okay.
So, ja, yes, not ja. Jahr, year, not jar. Jetzt, now, not jetzt.
Jetzt. Jetzt. Okay, I can hear the difference.
Good. Now back to your crime. The word project, the J in German is a Y sound, so it's projekt. Say it.
Projekt.
Again.
Projekt.
That's it. That's all Herr Becker wanted.
I feel like I owe him an apology.
You owe him a correctly pronounced project update. That's more useful. Now here's where it gets interesting, and I want you to really pay attention here because this one catches even advanced learners. The German W.
W like Wolfgang?
Exactly like Wolfgang. How did you just pronounce that?
Wolfgang, with a W like winner.
And that right there is the mistake. In German, W is pronounced like the English V.
Wait, so Wolfgang is actually…
Wolfgang. Yes.
Wolfgang Amadeus Mozart has been mispronounced by the entire English-speaking world.
More or less, yes?
That's genuinely upsetting.
Welcome to German. Now, in the workplace, this matters. The word Werkzeug, tool, not Werkzeug. It's Werkzeug. The word Wirtschaft, economy, business, not Wirtschaft. It's Wirtschaft.
Wirtschaft, okay. And if I say it wrong in a meeting?
People will understand you. But there's a difference between being understood and being credible. You want credible.
I want credible, yes.
Which brings us to the next problem. And this is the one that makes people's heads explode. because now I've just told you W sounds like V in German. So, logically, you'd assume V sounds like… What?
Like the English V? Like victory?
Sometimes, but usually V in German sounds like the English F.
So W is V and V is F.
Mostly, yes.
Max, that's chaos.
That's German.
Okay, walk me through it, please.
The word Vogel, bird, not Vogel. It's Vogel. The word Vorstellung, presentation, introduction, not Vorstellung with a V like very. It's Vorstellung.
Vorstellung. Oh wow, that actually sounds more German instantly.
Because it is. Now, and this is important. There are German words borrowed from other languages where V does sound like the English V. Like vase, same as English, visum, visa, vitamin. The rule of thumb, if the word looks like it came from Latin or French, the V might stay as V. If it's a native German word, F.
Okay, so I need to just know which words are which.
Or you listen very carefully to how Germans say it first. Context and observation, your best tools.
Okay, I need to confess something.
Oh no.
Before I knew any of this last month, I was trying to introduce myself in a team meeting, and I said, Ich bin Ihre neue Vertreterin. I am your new representative.
That's correct.
I said, Ich bin Ihre neue Vertreterin, with a full English V. And then I said I was excited about the Vorstellung, but I said Vorstellung, with a hard V, twice.
What did your colleagues do?
They nodded very politely. The way you nod at a child who's done something technically wrong but tried really hard.
That is, yes, that is the nod.
I have received that nod several times, Max.
Well, after today, no more nod.
No more nod.
All right, the third category. And this is the one nobody wants to face. The umlauts.
Oh, God.
A, O, U. Three sounds that don't exist in English. Most English speakers either skip them entirely or replace them with the closest English vowel. Both are wrong.
Okay, give it to me straight.
Think of the E in bed. Your mouth is open, relaxed. Bear, bear. Not bar, not beer. Bear. Like bear in English. Actually, that one's close.
Okay, bear. That one's manageable.
Oh, this is harder. Round your lips like you're going to say O, and then try to say E without moving your lips.
That feels weird in my face.
It's supposed to. You're using muscles English never trained. The word schön, beautiful, not shown, not shown. Schön.
Schön, okay. What about oo?
Same idea. Round your lips for oo, like moon, and try to say E. Uber, above, over, not Uber, like the app. Uber.
Wait, everyone calls it Uber.
Everyone calls it wrong. The company is German. The word is Uber.
The entire world has been mispronouncing a German word that's literally plastered on every phone.
I know, it's fine. I've made my peace with it.
Uber, schön, there. Okay, I'm practicing these.
Every day. In the mirror if you have to. These sounds will show up constantly, in names, in titles, in company names. Get them right. And now I've saved this one specifically because it is the most dangerous mispronunciation in a German professional setting.
More dangerous than project.
Significantly.
Tell me.
The word öffentlich, public.
Öffentlich. Okay, what do people say instead?
They say offentlich, which is close. But the at the start, when mispronounced as a flat O, the word starts to sound like something else entirely. Something not professional.
What does it sound like?
I'll let your imagination work on that. The point is, in a presentation, if you're talking about öffentlicher Verkehr, public transport, and you flatten that people notice. And not in a good way.
Max, has anyone actually done this in a meeting?
I have witnessed it. I will not say who.
Oh my God, okay. Öffentlich, rounded lips. Öffentlich.
There it is. That's the one. I want to take a second here because I know some people are thinking, it's just pronunciation. As long as they understand me, who cares?
I mean, I've thought that.
Here's the reality. In a German business environment, especially if you're not a native speaker, people are already watching. They want to see whether you've made the effort, whether you respect the language enough to learn it properly. Not perfectly. Nobody expects perfect. But effort, that is everything.
So it's not about being flawless.
It's about signaling that you take the work seriously. When you walk into a Vorstellung presentation and you say Vorstellung, when you talk about the project and you say Projekt, something shifts in that room. People sit up a little. They think, this person did the work.
And if you don't,
you get the nod.
no more nod.
No more nod.
Okay, let's run it back, because I need this locked in my brain before Monday.
4 rules. Rule 1. German J equals English Y. Ja, jetzt Projekt. Yes, now, project.
We sound. Got it.
Rule 2. German W equals English V. Wirtschaft, Werkzeug. Economy, tool.
W is V.
Rule 3. German V equals English F for native German words. Vorstellung, Vogel. Presentation, bird. But borrowed words keep the V sound.
V is F unless it's borrowed. Chaos, but noted.
Rule 4. Umlauts, A, U, are not optional decorations. They are different sounds. Practice them separately. Schön über Bär. Beautiful, over, bear.
And never ever flatten the in öffentlich.
Especially not in a client presentation.
Especially not. Okay, I feel actually much better about Monday now, like I have actual tools, specific things to fix.
That's all it takes, honestly. You don't need to sound like a native speaker. You need to sound like someone who cares. Those are very different bars, and the second one is completely reachable.
That's actually really encouraging, Max. Thank you.
Don't get emotional. We have work to do.
Right. So what's next? What's the next thing I'm going to do wrong?
You know what's coming up for you soon, right? Your first formal performance review in German.
I hadn't thought about that.
You'll need to talk about your achievements, your goals, your value to the team in a language where the wrong word can make you sound either arrogant or invisible. There's almost no middle ground.
Arrogant or invisible? Those are the 2 options.
In German, professional self-presentation often. Yes. Next time, we'll walk through exactly how to talk about yourself without either. It's a tightrope, but it's learnable.
I need that episode immediately.
It'll be there. And if you want to make sure you catch it, there's a subscribe button nearby. Use it. Future Sarah will thank you.
Present Sarah is already thanking you.
Present Max accepts it. Bis zum nächsten Video. Until the next video.
Bis zum nächsten Video. Did I say that right?
Almost.
Almost? What did I... Max,